3-step foot repair bundle from LANVEUR. Because I'm all about detox on my channel, I just absolutely love it when I find something that works the way it's supposed to work. I have suffered from calluses my whole life on the bottoms of my feet. I walk around barefoot and I wear flip-flops all the time. Pair those two together, it wreaks havoc on the bottoms of your feet. So I've suffered from calluses forever. I've had calluses so bad that they've actually cracked and bled. That's how bad my calluses have gotten. And I have used harsh callus remover creams, pumice stones, those things that look like cheese graters that you use on the bottoms of your feet. I have used all of that stuff. And I'm not one to go get my feet done professionally because I don't like the products that they use. I don't like lotions between my toes. I can't stand it. So when I came across this 3-step foot repair bundle from LANVEUR, I absolutely was so excited to try it. I do partner with LANVEUR because I love their products. This is a sponsored video, and I've partnered with them with this and their LANVEUR neck balm. LANVEUR is all about whole body wellness. So not only do they just treat the skin, they treat the whole body. So when this foot soak, it's actually like an herbal tea sachet that has an all-natural botanical blend. And I will leave a list to all of the herbs that are in this little sachet. All these different ingredients that actually detox the body. And I've done a lot of research on detox for my channel because my channel, I promote a lot of detox in my channel. And this is just another way that you can detox. And I just absolutely love that. So this is a 3-step foot repair bundle, and it actually heals and repairs the skin on the bottoms of your feet. So you can actually get out of that cycle of using those harsh pumice stones or those harsh heel scrapers and stop doing that madness, because what does your body do? It automatically goes in repair mode and you're just going to get those calluses right back. Where if you remove those calluses gently through an herbal foot soak, you won't get the calluses back. And I just absolutely love that because I was stuck in that cycle of removing my calluses, they would come right back. Removing my calluses and they would come right back. But when you use an herbal foot soak like this 3-step foot repair bundle, they don't come back. And that's what's so wonderful about this. So let's talk about this. So this is an herbal sachet. It's 100% natural botanical herbal sachet. And what you would do is you would heat water as hot as you can stand it and put the water in a foot basin. Then you would steep this sachet in that water for about 20 minutes. So just like you would a tea bag for herbal tea, you would treat that the same way. Then you're going to soak your feet for 30 minutes. And I'm not even going to lie, this is wonderful. This has packed full of all kinds of herbs that promote blood circulation, they promote skin revitalization, healing of the skin, and it promotes sleep. So that's why I like to do this in the evening, right before I get ready for bed. Then, so you would do this 3 times a week. Then right after you do your herbal foot soak, the herbal detox, you're going to follow it with the foot mask. And this is wonderful. If you've ever used any kind of serum on your face, the consistency of like a serum. So this is a foot mask, and it comes with 2 booties, and you just cut the top of the booties off, slip your feet in, and then cinch it down with a little tab. And this is so cooling and soothing, especially after the herbal foot soak, that your feet are just going to be so happy. So then you're going to wear this for about 20 minutes. Then what I like to do is after I take these off, I just massage the rest of it into the skin, and it just feels wonderful. And just like a serum that you would use on your face, it soaks in and is very lightweight. With this is you would use this twice a week. So you're going to use the herbal foot soak 3 times a week. Then you would use the foot mask right after your herbal foot soak twice a week. Then you're going to follow it with this ultra softening foot cream. And when I say that this is ultra that this is an ultra formula. I mean it. It's not heavy. It's not greasy. It's not going to make your feet feel slimy after you put it on. I cannot stand lotion on my feet. I can't stand anything between my toes. And this is ultra soft and it's lightweight, and I just absolutely love it. So this you would use twice a day, morning and night, and you just massage this lightweight cream into your skin. It smells wonderful. All of LANVEUR products smell wonderful. They smell botanical. They smell natural. And I love that. It is 95% all natural ingredients. So it does have a few additives in it, but it's 95% all natural. Here are my before and afters using this 3-step bundle from LANVEUR Botanicals. LANVEUR also offers a 100-day money-back guarantee, and they have a 4.8 star rating with over 5,000 reviews. So if you're looking for something that detoxes, revitalizes, and helps you sleep, I would definitely check out this 3-step foot repair bundle from LANVEUR. LANVEUR is also offering my viewers a 20% off coupon with this code. And as always, everything I use in my videos will have links in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.